Hey guys, it's Katie. So today I'm going to be showing you like 5-minute DIYs and crafts for when you're bored or just like whenever. Okay, let's get on with the video. So the first one is a really cute DIY scratch paper thing. So you may remember that I made a DIY scratch paper video as my first video on this channel. It's still on here if you'd like to watch it. So here's all the stuff that you need for this DIY. It's on the screen, so I don't really need to talk about it. But yeah, I prefer my own version of scratch paper, but I watched a video by Moriah Elizabeth, if anyone knows who that is. And I was very inspired by her, so yeah, she made a bunch of 5-minute crafts and DIY videos if you want to watch them after this, of course. Okay, I think that's all I need to say. But I'm just coloring all of this stuff in with my Copic markers and some colored pencils. Then we're gonna secure all of that with clear tape. You can use like packing tape or whatever. And then we're going to paint over it in black acrylic paint. So as I said, I just covered it in some clear tape, and now we're going to put some black acrylic paint on it. You don't have to use black acrylic paint, you can use whatever color you like, but I think black is the most effective because it really makes the colors like pop, you know? You know what I mean. Anyway, I'm just painting on a lot of black paint. You don't need as much as I use. And now we can do it. This doesn't work as well as I expected it to work. This is the first time I'm making it. But it does what it's said to do, so I guess it's good. So the second DIY is going to be like a galaxy lava lamp thingy. You don't have to make it galaxy themed. I just made it galaxy themed because I have a lot of purple glitter. So you need water, some oil. I'd recommend baby oil because then you can like have clear stuff in it instead of having like yellow for olive oil. Then you need some small containers if you want to like measure things out, because I'd recommend an equal amount. Then you need food coloring and a lot of glitter, because who doesn't like glitter? So I'm taking my plastic bottle. Did I mention that you need a plastic bottle? Well, you need a plastic bottle or a jar or whatever you're gonna put your lava lamp in. And I'm just taking that, my baby oil, some water, and my cups. So I'm gonna pour this amount of water into that cup, and then this amount of oil, and then put glitter into the oil and food coloring into the water, because glitter doesn't go very well with water. and neither does food coloring with baby oil, I think. So here's a little, I don't know, but it's cool. Look at that, it's beautiful. But yeah, I just filled up the bottle to a lot. Then I'm gonna take this box that I decorated with some washi tape. I did a video on DIYs with washi tapes, shameless self-promo. Then I'm just taking like some sequins and fake gems or whatever. Then I'm shaking them into the bottle. You could even say that I'm shook. I'm hilarious, okay? Don't judge me. So this is a masterpiece. It's beautiful. So for the third DIY, we're gonna be making a little no-sew DIY, like little mini cushion or whatever. You can make a full-size cushion if you like, but I ain't gonna do that because I don't got time for that. Then you just need some fabric, hot glue gun, or you can sew it, but I just used my hot glue gun because I was lazy. You need stuffing as well, but if you don't own stuffing like me, you can just like cut up some old fabric and use that. So I'm just gonna cut the little pieces and make them even. Then I'm just gonna glue the sides together. It's very simple and very easy. If you can't do that, you probably either don't have the supplies or I have no idea what to say to you if you can't do this. But it's okay. We're just gonna like cut up that thingy as I was demonstrating there. It actually took a while for me to cut that up, but it's okay. You know. And then I'm just filling it up with stuff, and then I realized I didn't have enough, so I cut up some more stuff. Then it was okay. Then I sealed it in, sealed the deal, and then here it is. Yay. It's very fun. And then for the grand finale DIY, we're gonna be making a cute little origami bookmark thingy-majig. I made mine unicorn because I like unicorns. You just need some paper and a pencil. And I forgot to mention that you need a ruler as well to measure out stuff. So we're gonna get our piece of paper and we're gonna measure 7 by 7 centimeters. We're gonna make 3 squares in the shape of an L. Just like, watch what I'm doing. I'm bad at explaining things. Then we're just gonna cut that out, and then we're gonna rub that out or erase that, whatever you say. And then we're gonna fold those in and stick them there. Then we're gonna make our design. Yay. Damn you, acrylic paint. So I just drew out a little unicorn face, and that was fun. Then I just colored it in. I colored it in with my expensive Copics and my cheap coloring pencils. So I'm using my Harry Potter book for this bookmark. I am loving Harry Potter right now. I'm reading the 3rd book, The Prisoner of Azkaban. Comment down below what your favorite book is, because I want to know, because I'm very nosy. Well, everyone's nosy because they have a nose. Don't judge me. But you can see that this bookmark works. Yay. Then we can find our page. Yay. And then I just have some general ideas for what to do when you're bored, not specifically crafts. So I found this on Pinterest. It's basically a board acrostic poem. Been creative, outside to play, read a book, exercised, done chores. And if you've done all those things, here are a few other things to do. You can subscribe to Katie's Crafts and like all of my videos while watching and enjoying the videos. Yeah, you should. I think you should anyway. Please do it. Then I just threw together a little list of ideas for what to do when you're bored. You can, for example, watch a movie, bake something, sleep, go shopping, do your nails, hair, or makeup, invite a friend over, make a smoothie, draw something, paint something, make a YouTube video, or like whatever. And most importantly, watch Katie's Crafts videos, of course. Shameless self-promo. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I won't be giving any more shoutouts for the Craftification Squad thing, because I sort of stopped doing that, but it's okay. I'm sorry that this was a sort of long video, and it wasn't 5 minutes at all. It was more than double that, but it's okay, you know? You'll survive watching for 10 minutes. You're probably not even listening to this right now, blah blah blah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. If you want part 2, then smash that like button. See ya next time, hopefully. Bye.